Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then my name is Amrita. Hope you all are doing well. You might be wondering that why I am looking different today, because I am not wearing any makeup. Only I am wearing my moisturizer and my lip balm because I am going to review few products today. In fact, it's a brand review and I am going to review today Stay Quirky products, and these are the products here. I ordered the products from purple.com. It's available online. I will be reviewing the products as well as I will show you the demo. So let's get started. So first, this is their primer. This is a silicone based primer, just like Color Bar or a Swiss Beauty primer. It retails for 499 rupees. However, you will get good discount in purple.com. It has been written here, look hot but store this in a cool place. This is water resistant, blends effortlessly and lightweight. Yes, it does whatever it claims. All the Stay Quirky products are paraben free. This is what the product looks like. Next, I have their foundation. My shade is Bees Balm number 7. It's a glass bottle with pump packaging. Very handy. This is water resistant, blends effortlessly and lightweight. It retails for 245 rupees, which is very affordable. It perfectly matches my skin tone. It's totally water based. It gives no coverage, zero coverage. It's just like a tinted moisturizer and purely water based. I don't like such water based products because it feels very wet and it absorbs so much of compact, which gives a flaky skin. You can see there is no coverage. It's just like a moisturizer, guys. One side I'll use my Pack Beauty Blender to blend the foundation, and on another side I'll use my Real Technique buffing brush. Next, I have their compact powder. The packaging is quite sturdy. It has a very good size mirror and applicator also. Oh my god, this one is awesome. It gives quite a very nice coverage, quite powdery. and matte also, which I like the most. It has a very mild smell. My shade is Bees Babe number 3 and it retails for 249 rupees. Moving to the next item, I have their eyeliner. It says Stay Quirky Badass Eyeliner. It retails for 175 rupees. The packaging is quite sturdy. Stay Quirky has done their best on packaging of all the products. It's a matte packaging. It dries up very quickly and gives a matte effect. And this is very long lasting. Next, I have their Badass Matte Lipstick in the shade Tripping Over You number 46. Yes, it retails for 275 rupees. Let me open this. Oh my god, look at the packaging, guys. It's very sturdy, very nice. Looks very luxurious and the shade is also quite gorgeous. Let me swatch for you. It's not exactly a matte one, it's quite like a creamy matte, but the color is very gorgeous and it's very long lasting. And we are getting here 4.2 grams of product. The price is very affordable and the lipstick itself is very nice. I think you should go for it, guys. This is the final look. The lipstick is totally a bomb. Eyeliner is too good. The primer is also very nice. I quite like the compact powder. It has a very nice coverage and it quite gives glow to the skin. I'm very much disappointed with this product. This is the foundation. It hardly gives any coverage. I think it has no coverage at all. Only the plus point of this is that it matches my skin tone perfectly. It's just like a tinted moisturizer only and it's totally water based. My marks are still visible. So this is all about all the products. Hope it will help you. I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, bye.